feel like Jasmine, make her feel like jazz. Make me feel like I choose you like I'm Ash.
What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks the Cultureholic. Shout out to the Cultureholic Facebook group and the TSB gang. And we are on the road to 500 subscribers, literally. Just to make sure I have time to get all my videos done. I'm kind of trying to blog in between, running errands here and there. Just trying to really beef up the channel. Oh wow, it's an ambulance up here. Anyway, so this video we're gonna discuss the Retro 4. Ooh, don't even have the AC on. Ooh, the Retro 4, those cool grays. They're back out. I don't have my notes in front of me. I want to say they last came out was 2004, and I'm not 100% sure if they're gonna be just like that model that came out back in 04. They got little subtle differences with them. I guess when I get to where I'm going, I will be able to unbox the shoes, and then we will see what is actually different about them. Also, while you guys are, come on, man, let's go, brother. What are you doing? Drive. All right, I'm about to pass this guy. Also, guys, if you guys like the channel and you have any other suggestions of videos for me to do, or sneakers or that you want me to review, just feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm open to suggestions. But yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Let go.
Take me to the box, stand up cool, let me crash. Ooh, make me sleep, make me dream, make me
we can undo. You just in the pit, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run to the cash grows, get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big sign, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you could never hit mine, nigga.
All right, gang, the Retro 4 Cool Gray. Remember, we're still celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Retro 4. So this is dressed in cool gray, given the name, chrome, dark charcoal, and varsity maize color scheme. Now, this pair already did drop early on sneakers, but if you missed it, it's coming out again. And remember, it's a Thursday release. So it's changed from like August 3rd, and now it's August 1st, which is a Thursday. Even with a Thursday release, I still believe this will have a decent sell-through. I was actually wearing my Bread 4s today. Someone was asking me if I was going to cop these, and I probably won't. No real need for them for me. If you guys know, I'm more of a Yeezy person, but I digress on that. Now, I'm not blessed enough to actually have a pair of the 04 version of this shoe in front of me to look at the differences. But I believe if you guys follow Unbreakable Kicks, I'm pretty sure he has a great video and an 04 pair where he's comparing the two. So I will drop the link of that one in the description so you guys can head over to his channel and check out the comparison. All right, now this one is for the kids, back to school, grade school, preschool, and toddlers. It is the Retro 12 in Racer Pink. You know, the Retro 12 silhouette is always a banger and usually does sell out, if not the day of, shortly after. And for back to school, I think the pink and gray combination is going to be a hit. Now, this one drops on Wednesday, the day before the Cool Gray 4s. Wednesday, being back in the day, most Jordans actually came out on Wednesdays for you newer sneakerheads, or if you're new to the Jordan brand. Back in the day, I remember growing up, they dropped on Wednesdays, and you usually had to skip school to try to get a pair, or if you had a cool enough mom that she would actually just get them for you in the middle of the day. But yeah, this one drops on Wednesdays, and remember, it's grade school, preschool, and toddlers, just the kid sizes. Once again, y'all, thank you for letting me be part of your day. Remember to always wear what you like, hype what you love, and in the words of my favorite rapper, peace.
Real cool, fresh niggas go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.